guys! Hi guys, magmukbang kita ng Pansit Canton. So lang. Gusto din ako. Lah. Oh my God. Hmm. Si Alvin. Ay, may pakuha ni Pring. Hala, an assessment of request. Pilot test. We are students from the University of San Carlos from the Department of Psychology conducting a survey for our experiment. We would like to ask for your aid in kindly contributing to our experiment by answering your perceptions on it. If you agree to participate, rest assured that your answer will be given out simply in order to support. Please answer the questions, storm integrity, accuracy. Mm-hmm. The gusto ko mukha akong guys, balance. Ay! Dapat lang. Okay, parang. Iki, ang question sa hindi ko makaro isang. So, una na yung question. Na. Lang ko na eh. Ang sarang ko na eh. Nah, damo ba eh? Hi, damo eh. Dami. Beside. Sige. The following items were serious requests. The researcher might ask. Expected answer from guys, ako na yung boss. Hi guys, I'm back and nagumay na kanon ako. Medyo idugay sa ko guys kay wala ako gayud gikuan gid ang pring ano pa. Ako gi-serious na ko niya ano pa ning Google form. Kuan sa kuno. No, mashay ako. So ako yung pupunta, I'm not willing. I know, dili I'm not willing. I'm not available. Wow, kuhaon na sa ako ni Lord. Ano sa maniyay? Wah. Maria. Guys, tuwain ko pansit kanto. Gusto ko mag-answer. Pero, ano ka po eh? Maganda ko ni guys pagbubuon. I don't know. Gusto ko warahin mo everything. Conference. Ay, Diyos ko naman talaga. Nalibaw. Eh! Eh! Na, na. Ayoko bet. Eh, lubay na wala ko lang.